what is going on, guys. Now, you're watching this video because you want to get an Uber discount code. Now, this actually works for Uber Eats as well. This is a promo code for 2023, and this is by far the best one that I found. This is going to reduce your order or credit your account $100. I say dollars, but it's going to work in whatever local currency you use. And it's actually super easy. You just basically grab the code that I'm going to show you where to get it, entering it into the promo code section in the Uber app, and it's going to credit you $100. So let me show you where you can go ahead and get this code in under sort of 3 minutes. So open up the internet on your mobile device. I'm using an iPhone, but like I say, you can do it on any mobile device. And you need to go to www.giftcardhero.net. Once you're on the website, press this menu button, go to the search function, and just type Uber. Like I say, there is an Uber Eats page, but we're interested in the Uber, but they're universal. You can use them in your Uber account, and it's just going to credit across the entire Uber franchise. Scroll down. Here we go, exclusive code, $100 account credit. So like I say, you enter the code you're going to get into your promo code section on the Uber account, and it's going to give you $100 balance to spend anywhere you wish. We need to press this promo code reveal button. Now basically there is a verification. This is to stop people stealing all of the codes. It's completely free, it just takes us a couple of minutes. So we need to complete 2 of these offers listed below. They're completely free, and this is a survey, so I'm going to click it, answer the question, enter in my email address, and then I'm going to go back and do a second one, and once I finish these I'll return and we'll see if it gives me the code. So like I said, I just finished 2. I did both of these surveys at the top. I find surveys easier, but like I say, depending on your country, you've got different offers and they're all pretty quick. So once you've done it, when you return to Gift Card Hero, scroll down a bit, and there you go. It's now given me my account credit code for $100. Now, like I say, you just copy this, put it into your promo code page, and it's going to credit you $100. This is a one-time use code, so this will be used because I'm going to redeem this in a minute. So you've got to get your own at giftcardhero.net and complete the steps I've shown you here, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It's pretty quick, so have fun, guys, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, I think that I lost my